Yo guys, what is up? It is me. I know I haven't followed in months, but I want just to make another tunnel video. And it's on how to fix your mouse not connecting to your USB. So, what you're gonna do is click Windows plus R, and you're going to type def mgmt.msc. You will press OK, and it will open up Device Manager. Now you go to your hit command mouse and disable the device. And you're going to click on properties and press on that button that says enable device. Then you're going to click next, finish, and now your mouse is working. If for some reason, like when the first time I did it, you do not see that hit command mouse, and instead you see this Intel R USB 3.E extensible host controller having a little a blink at the bottom and having a little yellow thingy, just do the same thing. Properties, disable the device, properties enabled. Now right now it's working. So yeah, you just have to do the same thing. So I hope you guys, I hope that I helped you guys, and I will see you.